How to download and install Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install Facebook Messenger on your device. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Play Store app on your phone. And here, once you are inside the App Store, simply tap on the search icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in your search section, simply tap on the search bar and simply search for the messenger. And here on the search result, you can see the option labeled messenger. So simply tap on that. Now here on the new interface, as you can see, I have already installed the Messenger app on my phone, but if you haven't installed it yet, you will see the install button right here. So simply tap on that and wait for the installation to complete. And once your installation is done, you can simply tap on open to launch the app. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.